Good everyone, we are welcome to another mathematics class. I will want to continue our subject on number basis. We've done conversion from one base to another, from base 10 to another to other bases, and from other bases to base 10, and from other bases other than 10 to other than base 10 to other bases. Today we'll be talking about addition of number bases. Addition of number bases, the simple rules are these. Since generally when we add numbers from one place to another, when we add numbers, we usually do that in base 10 on a normal day. But when we are specifically given that a particular number should be added to another number in a particular base, the simple rule is this, that no number that is added under a certain base should be greater than the base with which it is added. For instance, if you have a question like this, 5117 base 8 plus 324 base 8. When we add these two numbers together, we will not add the sum of a particular number that is more than 8. For instance, 5117 324 base 8. How do we do this? 7 plus 4 is 11. We cannot write 11 because it's under base 8. So we divide 11 by 8. How many 8 is in 11? 1. What will it, when we subtract 8 from 11, it will give us 3. So what we do is we write the remain. What remains? 3. It remains 1. We say 3 plus 2 plus 1, 3. Plus this remaining 1, making 4. 3 plus 1, 4. And then 5, base 8. This is what this will give us. So whenever we are adding two numbers and the sum of the two numbers is greater than the base with which we are adding, we divide and then we'll just write what remains and carry over the real answer to another number. Let's look at another question. If you have a question like, given that P equals 242 base 5 and then Q equals 14 base 5. Calculate. We have to calculate P plus Q, P plus Q, and then B, P minus Q. How do we do a question like this? So what we will do is we'll first of all come and we'll say P plus Q will give us 242 base 5 plus 14 base 5. 2 plus 4, 6. We cannot write 6 because 6 is greater than 5. So we say, how many 5 is in 6? 1. And that will remain 1. So we write what remains. We'll carry over the remaining 1. We say 4 plus 1, 5. Plus this other one, 6. We'll do the same thing. How many 6 is in 5? 1. We write what remains. So this real answer number 1, we now add this one to these two to make 3. So this will be the answer for 242 base 5 plus 14 base 5. This will be our answer. Now, we've been asked to find P minus Q. So out in base 5, what do? We say 242 minus 14 base 5. Now, when we are subtracting, when we come to a situation whereby the number from which we are subtracting from is lower than what we are to subtract from, we carry 1 over. When we used to be in base 10, whenever we carry 1 over, it represents 10. But now when we are carrying over, it will represent 5. So we say 2 minus 4 is impossible. So we carry 1 from here to here. That one we are carrying will now be 5 instead of 10. that it used to be in base 10. So it will be 5 plus 2, 7. So 7 minus 4, 3. This will remain 3. Then 3 minus 1, 2, and then we write 2. So our answer will be 2, 2, 3 base 5. 1, 0, 1, 1 base 2. We have to add it to 1, 0, 1, 1 base 2. So we say 1, 0, 1, 1 base 2 plus 1, 0, 1, 1 base 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. We cannot write 2 because it's in base 2. So we divide 2 by 2. How many 2 is in 2? 1. It remains 0. So we write what remains. We carry the 1 and add it to the addition. 1 plus 1, 2. Plus this one, 3. How many 2 is in 3? 1. It remains 1. So we write what remains. Then we carry this one to the next addition. 0 plus 0 is 0 plus this one is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. How many 2 is in 2? 1. What remains? 0. So we write what remains and then we write the answer. So whenever we are doing addition in bases, what remain becomes the answer. Then the real answer that we have, the integer, we carry it over into the next addition. Another question. 4, 2, 1 base 5 plus 12 base 5 plus 42 base 5, all in base 5. How do we solve this? So it will be 4, 2, 1 plus 12 plus 42 base 5. So no, we cannot get any answer as 5 or 6. All the answer we must get must be at least 1 lower than the base. 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1, 5. We cannot write 5. So we say, how many 5 is in 5? 1. It remains 0. So is what remains? We write 0. 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7. Then we add to this one, 8. How many 5 is in 8? 1. What remains? 3. Is what remains? We write 3. Then we say 4 plus this one, 5. We'll now come again. We say how many 5 is in 5? 1. What remains is 0. So write 0 first, then 1. So this becomes our answer. 1, 0, 3, 0. 7, 7, 4 base 8 plus 4, 4, 7 base 8 plus 1, 1, 3 base 8. So 7, 7, 4 base 8, 4, 4, 7 base 8, 1, 1, 3 base 8. We had the rule. We cannot write the answers we have to get must be at least 1 below the base. So 7 plus 3, 10 plus 1, 14. Cannot write 14. So we say how many 8 is in 14? 1. What remains? 6. So is what remains, we write 6. 7 plus 4, 11 plus 1, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. So we say 13. How many 8 is in 13? 1. What remains? 5. So is what remains, we write 5. 7 plus 4, 11 plus 1, 12 plus this one, 13. So how many 8 is in 13? 1. Remain 5. So write 5 again. We'll write what remains, then the coefficient as last. So our answer will be 1556 base 8. 3, 2 base 5 plus 2041 base 5 plus 13 base 5. So we say 132 base 5, 2041 base 5, 13 base 5. Base 5. So 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. We cannot write 6 because it's in base 5. It's greater than the base. We cannot write a number greater than the base. So how many 6? How many 5 is in 6? 1. What remains? 1. So is that what remains we write, which is 1. 3 plus 4, 7 plus 1, 8. Plus this one, 9. So how many 5 is in 9? 1. What remains will be 4. So is what remains we write, 4. Then 1 plus 1, 2. We can write 2 because it's less than 5. Then 2 again because it's less than this 2 again because it's less than 5. So as a rule, we cannot write a number that is greater than the base under which we are adding. The highest of the numbers we can write in a given base must be at least 1 less than that particular base. Let's look at 124 base 6 plus 5021 base 6 plus 42 base 6 plus 1124 base 6. So how do we add this? We say 124 base 6, 5021 base 6, 42 base 6, 1124 base 6. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 4, 11. So how many 6 is in 11? 1. It remains 5. So we write 5. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. Plus 2, 10. Plus this, 11. So write the same. How many 6 is in 11? 1. It remains 5. Write the 5 that remains. 1 plus 1, 2 plus this, 3. We can write it 3 is less than 6. 5 plus 1, 6. We cannot write 6 under base 6. So we say how many 6 is in 6? 1. What remains will be 0. So write what remains first, then we add the coefficient 1 to it. So our answer will be 10355 base 6. 110112 plus 110112 plus 1011 base 2 plus 11110 base 2. So how do we add this? We say 11011 base 2 plus 1011 base 2 plus 01111, that's 4 zeros, base 2. So we add this way. 2 plus 1 plus 1, 2. Since it's under base 2, we cannot write 2. So we say how many 2 is in 2? 1. What remains 0 is what remains we write. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. Plus this one, 4. How many 2 is in 4? 2. What remains? 0. So write the 0. We carry the 2. So we say 1 plus these 2 that remain from 4. That's 3. We cannot write 3 because it's in base 2. So how many 2 is in 3? 1. What remains? 1. So is that 1 we will write. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. Plus this one, 4. How many 2 is in 4? 2. What remains? 0. So we write 0. We leave the 2. 1 plus 1, 2. Plus this 2 that remain, 4. So how many 2 is in 4? 2. What remains? 0. So we write the 0, 2. We write the 0. It now remains 2. We cannot write 2 here because it's under base 2. So that same 2, we divide it again. How many 2 is in 2? 1 remains 0. So we now write the 0 first and we add to 1. So what we do is we write what remains first as the answer. Then we carry over the answer and add it to subsequent addition. So our answer will be 1000100 base 2. Find the base in which the following addition were performed. 2, 3, 1, 2 base x plus 1, 0, 1, 3 base x plus 2, 1, 3, 1 base x. It said equals 1, 1, 0, 1, 1 base x. Now, we have to find the base, and we are given option A. The option we are given is 7, B, 6, C, 5, D, 8. Now, how do we solve a question like this? 2 plus 3, 5 plus 1, 6. If this were in base 8, it will have been written 6. If it were in base 7, it will have been written 6. So, it cannot be 7, it cannot be 8. Now, 2 plus 3, 5, plus 1, 6. Now, if it was written 6, if it was in base 6, the remainder would have been 0 here. Because 6 in 6 is 1, remains 0. And we always write what remains, which is supposed to be 0. So it cannot be 6. So the answer is in base 5. The answer to this question is in base 5. How do we know? The answer is in base 5. How do we know? 2 plus 3, 5. Plus 1, 6. How many 5 is in 6? 1. What remains? 1. So we write 1. We carry the 1. 3 plus 1, 4 plus 1, 5. Plus this one, 6. How many 5 is in 6? 1. What remains? 1. We write the 1. It remains 1. 3 plus 1, 4. Plus this one, 5. How many 5 is in 5? 1. What remains? 0. We write 0. We remain the 1. 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1, 5. Plus this one, 6. How many 5 is in 6? 1. Remain 1. So write the remainder first and write the 1. So definitely is in base 5. If it's in base 8, we could have written 6. It cannot be in base 7, we will have written 6. If it's in base 6, we will have written here 0. Because 6 in 6 is 1 remains 0. We have written 0. So the answer is in base 5. Find the missing number if the addition is in base 8. So we have 1, 2, 6, 0, base 8. We have 3, 6, 2, base 8. Then we have something like this, base 8. And then 1, 2, 4, base 8. And we are given 3, 0, 1, 1, base 8. So we have to find this missing number. What do we do in a case like this? We first of all add what we have. We subtract it from here, all in base 8. Base 8, 3, 6, 2, base 8, 1, 2, 3, 6, 2, base 8, 1, 2, 4, base 8. 2 plus 4, 6. We can write 6 since it's in base 8. 6 plus 8, 12. Plus 2, 14. We cannot write 14. So we say how many 8 is in 14? 1. What remains? 6. We write 6. We carry the 1. 2 plus 3, 5 plus 1, 6. Plus this one, 7. We can write 7. So we have 1. So what we have, the addition of 1, 2, 3 give us this. So we subtract this from what we have here. So we have 3, 0, 1, 1 base 8 minus 1, 7, 6, 6 base 8. So 1 cannot remove 6 in base 8. So we carry 1 from here to here. That one we are carrying in base 10 used to be in 10, but now it's in base 8, it will be 8. So it will be 8 plus 1, 9. 9 minus 6, 3. So this remains 0. So we carry 1 from here to here, and then to here. This was 0, so it will be 8. 8 minus 6, that will be 3. So what we have now is this. We have, this one was 1 initially. We have removed 1 from it. The one we carried from here to here was 8. So when we remove 1 from it to this one will now be 7. 7 minus 7, 0. This one was 2 because we remove 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So our answer will be 10338. 1, sorry, this is 2. 8 minus 6, 2. 1023 base 8 comes 1023. Find the missing number if the following addition is in base 5. Is in base 5 rather. Base 5. What do we have? 2004 base 5. 143 base 5. Then we have the missing number we are looking for, and then 201 base 5. And we are given an answer of 4240 base 5. So how do we do this? We add all the numbers here, 1, 2, 3. Then we subtract it from the answer. Whatever we get all in base 5 becomes our answer. So we say 2004, 143, and then 201, all in base 5. All in base 5. We add them together. 3 plus 4, 7 plus 1, 8. How many 5 is in 8? That's 1. What remains will be 3. So write what remains, 3. 4 plus this one, 5. How many 5 is in 5? 1. What remains? 0. Write 0. Remain that 1. 2 plus 1, 3 plus this other one that is the answer here, coefficient 4. We can write 4. Then 2. This, the summation of this, and this. So we subtract this from this. 4240 minus 2403 base 5. Now, 0 cannot take away, we cannot take away 3 from 0. So we take 1 from here. That one that we are taking from here in base 10 used to be 10, but now it's in base 5, so it will be 5. So 5 minus 3 will be 2. This one remain 3. 3 minus 0, 3. 2 take away 4. 2 out of 2 take away 4 is not possible. So we take 1 from here. That one we are taking represents 5. So it will be 5 plus 2, 7. 7 minus 4, 3. We've taken 1 away from 4, it remains 3. 3 minus 1 minus 2 is 1. So the missing number will be 1332 base 5. This becomes the missing number. 1332. 1332 base 5. If x base 4 plus 34 base 5 equals 5 for base 6, find x. How do we do this? Let's convert everything first to base 10. X base 4 is the same thing as saying, if I were to convert to base 10, it will be x times 4 raised to power 0 is 0. Anything raised to power 0 is 1, so the answer is x here. So we say 34 raised to power 5, 0, 1. That will be 3 times 5 raised to power 1 plus 4 times 5 raised to power 0. That will give us what? 3 times 5 is 15. This is 4. So our answer is 19. Then we come to 54 base 6. That will be 5 times 6 raised to power 1 plus 4 times 6 raised to power 0. 5 times 6 is 30. This is 4. This is 34. So we converted everything to 10 now, to base 10. So what do we have? X base 4 is the same thing as x. 34 base 5 is the same thing as 19. While 54 base 6 is the same thing as 34. So what do? We say our x will be 34 minus 19. X will give us what? X will give us 20. X will give us that should be 6. That should be 20. That should be 15 as our answer. 15 will be our answer here. 15. So we convert everything to base 10, base 10, base 10. Then we do the normal algebra. So x will be 15 as our answer. With this, we come to the end of addition in number bases. In our next class, we'll be going to subtraction of number bases. Thank you. Meet you in the next class.